Hi Namaste, welcome back to Learn with Gowthami channel. This is a very important video that I want you to see from the beginning to the end. So many times I have told you that you need to start speaking with the basic words that you know, right? So in this video we are going to discuss some of the words, the top 100 words in English language which are going to contribute 50% of the language. What I mean to say is that if you know and if you are practicing these 100 words, then it means that you are covering 50% of the English language, so you can happily start speaking to anyone right from now. Okay, so let's get into the video without any delay. First of all, let us see nouns that are most commonly used. As you all know, noun is a thing that describes a person, quality, thing, etc. The first word is man. Man. He is a tall man. The second word is woman. Woman. She is a kind-hearted woman. The plural form of woman is women. Women. There were so many women. The next word is life. Life. There is only one life. The next word is world. World. You are my world. The next word is time. Time. Can I know the time? The next word is people. People. So many people attended the conference. Day. Day. How is your day? Year. Year. Happy New Year. Thing. Thing. Can you get me that thing? Child. Child. She is my child. Now, coming to pronouns. You can use pronouns as a substitute to noun or a noun phrase. You must make sure that pronoun is used from the second sentence, where in the first sentence you have described a noun. So let us see some of the pronouns that are mostly used. The first pronoun is he. He. He is a good boy. She. She. She is a good girl. We all know that he is used for male and she is used for female. Her. Her. This is her bag. Him. Him. Do you know him? His. His. This is his book. I like making videos. It is a ball. This is a pen. That is a coat. Me, you are watching me. My, this is my channel. We all are trying to speak English. Our goal is to succeed in life. Their. This is their house. These are very good ideas. They. I think they are very good at speaking English. Them. I want to speak to them. Who are you? You. Do you watch my videos regularly? Your. What is your intention about this video? Next, coming to verbs. Verb describes action, feelings, and the state of feelings. Let us see some of the top most used verbs. Come. When will you come? Go. It's better if you go. Find. I need to find other interesting ways to learn English. Give me some suggestions. Get. You need to get what you want. Have. I have a lot of work to do. No. I don't know whether you have subscribed my channel or not. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Let's continue the video. Listen, listen, listen to everyone who comes to share anything with you. Look, look, take a look at your grammar book. Make, make. I am going to make my dreams come true. Say, say. I want you to say something. See, S-E-E, see. I want you to see what is right. Tell, tell. Tell something about this video. Think, think. Think in English as much as possible. Use, use. Try to make best use of the phrases every day in real life conversations. Want, want. If you want to do it, you need to do it. Next, let us see some of the top most used auxiliary verbs or modal verbs which are helpful to form verbs. Be, be. Be confident. Can, can. You can do it. Must, must. You must speak English. Do, do. You need to do it. Could, could. You could have done that. Shall, shall. Shall I make a video on tenses? Will, will. I will think of it. Should, should. You should practice daily. Would, would. We would learn new lessons. Might, might. You might be thinking of something else. Next, coming to adjectives. Adjectives describes the nouns or gives extra or additional information about a noun to the reader. Let us see some of the top most used English adjectives. All, all. All of us are with common interest, that is, to speak English. Any, any. If you have any extra information, please put it in the comments. Different, different. Every one of us are different from one another. Even, even. Even a small kid can do that work. First, first. Let me speak first. Just, just. Just give me a second. Last, last. Where were you last night? White, white. The color of the chalk is white. Many, many. I have so many dreams. More, more. The more you speak, the more you be fluent. New, new. I would like to add new words to my speech. One, one. Practice is the one and only option to get good results. Some, some. Only some of them really try hard to get what they want. Two, TWO. Two. There are two more exercises I need to do. Now coming to the adverbs. Adverbs describes the verbs, adjectives, etc. It gives extra information about them. Also, also. She also wants to come with me. Here, here. I am here right now. How, how. Since how many days are you practicing English? No, no. And wo. I said no to the party. Not, not. You are not going anywhere until you complete your homework. So. I think so many of you are watching this video without subscribing. If so, please subscribe. Then, THEN. Then. You need to solve your problems then and there. Very, very. I am very confident enough that you are going to subscribe my channel right now. When are you going to start speaking English? Next, coming to conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to combine or link short simple sentences and make them into long, beautiful, complex sentences. Let us see some of the conjunctions that are mostly used in our speech. And. I need to practice listening and speaking. speaking. Because I want to be fluent in English because I can gain much more opportunities. But I want to go, but I have some work to do. If you have started speaking that day, you would have improved by this day. Or this or that. Anything is perfectly alright. Than. 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 You speak a lot better than yesterday. Next, coming to prepositions. Preposition shows how one noun in a sentence is related to another. Let us see some of the most commonly top used prepositions. About. I want to know more about learning English. At. I am at intermediate stage of speaking English. By. I would like to complete reading this book by tomorrow. For. What are you doing this for? From. We must start from the beginning. In. I am in a dilemma. Into. We can't peep into someone's room without their permission. On. I found the keys on the table. To. I am very much interested to make videos. With. Are you with me in this journey of developing English skills? Coming to articles. Articles are used to define specific or unspecific nouns. There are 3 articles: a, an, and the. Don't wait for the perfect time to come. Just start speaking English. So, this leads to the end of the video. I hope this video would be useful to you. Learn all these 100 words and start speaking right from today. Make your process of learning English interesting day by day. Start practicing, start listening, start reading, start writing, and finally start speaking English. That's it for today. See you soon in the next video. The thing that you need to do today is that you need to frame 2 sentences using only the words that I mentioned in this video. Using only those 100 words, you are going to frame 2 sentences and put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining today. See you soon in the next video.